Hey guys, this is Money and Done from Money and Done Bonus Zone. Welcome to my Bus Agents AI review. Alright, so what do we have here today? This is Bus Agents AI and this is a social platform. It's a AI tool that can create viral content for you and post it on your social media at full autopilot on full autopilot. How it works is it lets you create agents. Think of them as your teammate, social media content creators who can create content in specific manner. You can tell it exactly behave the way you want it to, and then it will just go on and post on your behalf all day without a break. Let's take a look and see how that works. So you get started by creating an agent. So you have got some options here: create new campaign, view all comments, and view all schedules. This is where you do telling, but before we do that, we need to create an agent that will do the posting. So for that, AI agents, click on create new agent. So you have got bunch of templates over here. Use the templates, but if you want to put in your own prompts, you own training data, versus modifying the training data that's already there, you can create from scratch. But let's go and create with the template, and you have all these pre-trained agents and all these niches. So Clara Convert, AI affiliate marketer, FlexiFran, yoga instructor, Genflex, motivational fitness coach, Nancy Moose, use a helpful real estate agent, Carlos Fixit, a dependable handyman. Lots of options, right? Let's see if there is somebody in the gardening niche. So we have Green Jane. I like the name. An eco-conscious landscape posting garden tips, landscaper posting garden tips, and the sustainability hacks. Let's go for here. This is the prompt. This is what you need to change if you want to update the prompt. Basically that's all it takes, and you need to have a campaign. It seems I don't have a campaign, so I was wrong. Let's create a campaign first. Campaigns, AI campaign, create new campaign. Let's call it the bottle planters, whatever. Let's call it the bottle planters, whatever. Planters, planters, and you need an image if you want to put it there. This is the promotional campaign for bottle planters. We create captivative ecosystems. Yes, I can be fancy ecosystems. I call it ecosystems that help you grow tomatoes at home. Yeah, simple mission. Click on create, and we need a campaign image, so I need to put in something. Well, what about this one? I guess this should be enough. Create it. So we have got the campaign, the bottle planters right here. So let's go back to AI agents. This time we will try to breeze through green gen. Use select campaign, and and we don't have a platform, so we get to add social media. All right, let's try to do that. Okay, so I have done it off camera because obviously I don't want to connect my social media details all the camera. So now I have campaign that actually has my social media accounts connected, and this time I just changed the campaign. It's a bodybuilding campaign and it's got my social media accounts. So let's try and create some content, right? To do that, we need to go back to campaigns and then click on content campaigns, right? So there are a bunch of campaigns already over here. Some are video, some are images, because remember this product can do images, video, and text. Let's create a new content campaign. You got text, AI, and images and videos. And if you want to, you can create a manual post too. So this is like content creation system, so you can create a content on the fly. Let's try to create a post plus AI image. Click on confirm content type. You can select a campaign that you already want, and a client, you can use a client name. And if you want to, of course, you want to select the agent genlex that we created. You can describe the content like motivation for working out hard, right? And how many variations do you want? Let's select 2. And how many variations do you want? Let's select 2. And what kind of image format is it? Stories and reels. Okay, which country you are targeting, which language you are targeting. Here are the social media accounts that it will be posted to, And whether you want the AI to handle throttling, or you want to do manually, or you want to schedule it later, just create the content now. You can do that. You can also choose the post frequency. Once you are ready, click on next. Here we go. It's creating the content right now. I will be back in a minute after I see something. Hold. Alright, so something happening already. You can see it's working. Image generation has started, and I think if you click here, you can control your accounts and all. Alright, so it's still generating. Meanwhile, let's take a look at the other stuff and come back in a minute. We're going to go back to content campaigns. This is generating now. uh, it says awaiting customization. When I click on it, there is a video want to make affiliate commissions online, and there is a little timeline at the bottom. If I hit play, it should play.
Step 1 asterisk. Choose one solid affiliate product. This shouldn't be just a random link. Instead, select something you genuinely believe in and would recommend to a friend. Authenticity.
Okay, I don't know how to make it happen. It's kind of like he's waiting. Preview. Perfect.
Affiliate compliant but don't know where to start. Here's a step-by-step blueprint anyone can follow using 1 asterisk. Choose one solid affiliate product. This shouldn't be just a random link. Instead, select something you genuinely believe in and would recommend to a friend. Authenticity is key, as it will resonate with your audience.
Okay, so just wanted to show you the kind of videos that it produces. I think that gave you a fair idea. It can automate your videos without a problem all day, right? So this was the video that we just customized, that we just looked at, right? Let's go back and let's see more content. Now the other our images are generated, so it's time to take a look. Here we go. Unleash your inner champion. All right, I don't see the image though. Yep, you see this post. Yeah, this is the image created, and the image will be posted with some content. Pretty good image. Yeah, really feels the power. You can really feel the motivational spirit. All right, not a bad photograph at all. I like them both, and if you want, you can change them. Like, you can put your branding, like add a subheading. Let's go add and a subheading, right? I click on it. We have this subheading here, so I will change the color in a moment. And here we go. Let's go now, and you can put your image here of your product if you want using this tool. So you can click on uploads. And what about this one? Yeah, so you can see the product photos of. So you can see the product photoshop got came over here. You can change the size. Now you have your own little content. Click and save. That's it. It's saved, and it should be scheduled later and automatically posted. That was one part. Let's go ahead. Sorry, let's go back. There's also another video about bodybuilding over here. I think we need to see that too. Click on view. It says availing customizations, and check it out. Let's to preview. All right, so again we see the kind of videos it can produce. That's a great. What do I next? What do I need to see you to show you next? Did I show you the streams yet? No, so content stream is like a channel which you publish your content through. I did create the streams earlier, and you can just send the content to your stream, and it connects to your channel, and then it just publishes to the particular profile that you connected to it. You have got the scheduling calendar here which shows you about your post that will be published at certain point of time. You can see when the dates are. Next, there are viral database of the content you can reuse. You can download these clips just by clicking on download. They are in all sorts of niches, but you can search. So if you want to get bodybuilding, you can look for bodybuilding, I hope. Okay, so nothing connected to bodybuilding, but yep, you can see post about all kinds of stuff. I think there is a time sorry, I think there is a text here which you can search. There's also viral posts videos that searches Instagram. So let's try looking in bodybuilding for bodybuilding in here, and I see the post that are created by other Instagram users, right? And and you can download it. So I'm going to download it, all these jokes. What about all these jokes? What about it's too much love? What about this one? So it says it's downloading started, and it's downloaded the video. It seems so viral fetched. I think if you go to viral database, or it's downloaded to your computer, so you can re-upload it. I think that's a nifty feature, because that means you can actually get a lot of content that you can reuse. There's also lead page maker. So this is opt-in page maker. You can create an opt-in page and you can get leads. You can have a people come to your page, sign up, and you can send them to offer that you want to get more leads inside of this product. There is also video editor and image editor, and you can see in my content all the content that you have rights. So if you want to create a custom video, modify it a little bit, you can. That's not hard using the video editor. And these are all the content pieces that we created. Click on it, and you can just decided whether you want to render it, or you want to just still wait for it. So basically, the power of automation, the best thing that works on the software that actually can help you, that the AI agents that you created, they can create content that you have custom designed them to create, and they can post them to your social media, out to your social media profiles, right? That's the purpose. So just trying to see if I can click and post it somewhere, and we have push to stream, which actually pushes it, includes it in a stream. Or we can click on schedule post. We can choose the date, click on update, schedule it, and schedule to the get posted. So this is was BuzzAgents AI.